The wealthy have one habit that separates them from everyone else. It's not a secret stock pick. It's not a complex tax strategy. It's one simple automatic decision they make every single payday that guarantees their wealth grows over time. Today, I'm not just going to tell you what that habit is. I'm going to give you the exact blueprint to install it in your own life. Welcome back to Clever Money Hacks, the place where you learn the systems of the wealthy and take command of your financial destiny. Today, we are not just talking about a savings tip. We are installing a new operating system for your money. We are going to decode the most powerful wealth-building habit on the planet, paying yourself first. In this video, I will show you why your current method of saving is designed to fail, how to shift your mindset to make your wealth non-negotiable, and the exact step-by-step technical guide to automating your finances so you can build wealth while you sleep. Are you ready to make your financial future your #1 priority? Let's begin. All right, before we build your wealth machine, our foundational reminder. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Your financial situation is unique. Always conduct your own thorough research and consider speaking with a qualified financial advisor. So, let's first expose the broken system that almost everyone uses. What do most people do when they get paid? They pay their rent or mortgage. They pay their car payment. They pay for groceries, utilities, subscriptions, and entertainment. And then, at the end of the month, they look at whatever is left over and maybe, just maybe, they save a little bit of it. This is called paying yourself last, and it is a guaranteed path to mediocrity. Why? Because it treats your own financial future as an afterthought. It makes your dreams and goals optional. There will always be more expenses, more temptations, more reasons to spend. When your future is what's left over, you are guaranteeing it gets scraps. The wealthy do the exact opposite. They don't save what is left after spending. They spend what is left after saving. This is the essence of paying yourself first. Step 1. The mindset shift. You are your most important bill. Before you set up any automation, you must burn this into your mind. The most important bill you pay every month is the one to your future self. It's more important than your landlord, more important than your car company, and certainly more important than your streaming services. Why? Because that bill is not an expense. It is an investment in your freedom. It's the money that will buy you choices, security, and the ability to live life on your own terms. When you get your paycheck, you must see the first 10, 15, or 20% not as your money, but as money that is already owed to future you. It is non-negotiable. You wouldn't skip your rent payment, so why would you skip the payment that builds your entire future? This is not about restriction, it's about priority. You are prioritizing your freedom over your immediate gratification. Once you make this mental shift, the rest becomes easy. Step 2. Calculate your freedom contribution. Okay, so how much do you pay yourself first? This is your freedom contribution. The classic starting point is 10% of your gross income. It's a manageable number for most people to begin with. However, if you want to accelerate your journey to financial freedom, you need to be more aggressive. Many who achieve financial independence early aim for 15%, 20%, or even higher. The #1 mistake people make here is thinking they need to start with a huge number. That's not the point. The point is to start now and build the habit. If 10% feels impossible, start with 5%. If 5% feels impossible, start with 1%. Start with an amount so small that you barely notice it's gone. The power is not in the initial amount. The power is in creating the habit of automatic wealth creation. You can, and should, increase this percentage over time as your income grows or your expenses change. The key is to decide on your starting percentage right now. Step 3. Choose your freedom accounts. So where does this money go? You can't just pay it to yourself and leave it in your checking account, where it will get accidentally spent. You need to send this money to dedicated separate accounts that are aligned with your goals. Think of it as creating different buckets for your future. Bucket number 1, your financial fortress. The emergency fund. Before you get aggressive with investing, you need a safety net. The first portion of your freedom contribution should go into a high-yield savings account, HYSA, until you have 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved up. This is your shield against life's chaos. Bucket number 2, your long-term empire, retirement accounts. This is for your future, decades from now. A significant portion of your contribution should go into tax-advantaged retirement accounts like a 401k if your employer offers one, especially if they offer a match, that's free money, or a Roth IRA. The money in these accounts grows tax-free or tax-deferred, supercharging its growth over the long term. Bucket number 3, your wealth accelerator, a brokerage account. Once your emergency fund is full and you're contributing to your retirement, this is where you can direct money for other goals. This is a standard investment account where you can buy assets like low-cost index funds, ETFs, or individual stocks to build wealth for goals that are 5, 10, or 15 years away, like a down payment on a house or starting a business. All right, we have just laid out the core strategy of the wealthy. This is powerful. If you are feeling a shift in how you view your paycheck, hit that like button right now and comment below. What percentage are you committing to as your starting freedom contribution? 1%, 5%, 10%. Let's declare it. Step 4. Build the automation machine. This is the final and most important step. This is the clever hack that makes the entire system work. You must make this process automatic and invisible. You cannot rely on willpower to manually move the money every payday. You will forget. You will get busy. You will be tempted to spend it. You must build a machine that pays your future self before you even have the chance to spend the money. Here's the technical step-by-step guide. First, if your employer offers it, use direct deposit. Go to your HR department or payroll portal. Many employers allow you to split your direct deposit into multiple bank accounts. This is the most powerful method. You can have them send your freedom contribution percentage directly to your separate high-yield savings account and your brokerage account. The money never even touches your main checking account. You literally build wealth without ever seeing that money. What you don't see, you don't miss. Second, if you can't split your direct deposit, set up an automatic transfer. Log into your primary bank's online portal. Go to the Transfers section. Set up a recurring automatic transfer from your checking account to your high-yield savings account. Schedule this transfer to happen on the day you get paid, or the day after. For example, if you get paid on the 15th, set the transfer for the 15th or 16th. Do the same for your other investment accounts. Set it and forget it. This simple, one-time setup of automation is the single most effective action you can take to guarantee you build wealth over time. It removes you, your emotions, and your bad habits from the equation. The machine does the work. This is the system. It's not complex. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is a simple, powerful, and guaranteed method for building wealth over time. It's the discipline of the wealthy, automated for the modern world. You decide your priority, you set up the system once, and you let the machine work for you, every single payday, for the rest of your life. One of the fastest ways to accelerate this process is to increase the income you have available to contribute. In our last video, we did a deep dive on how to become an AI-powered solopreneur, which is a powerful blueprint for building new income streams in today's economy. If you're looking for ways to boost your earning power, I'll link that video for you. If this video has given you a clear, powerful system to build your financial future, show your support by hitting that like button. It helps spread this crucial knowledge. If you are ready to stop leaving your future to chance and start building it with intention, then make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. And finally, let's commit to action. Comment below. What is the one automated transfer you will set up this week? Thanks so much for joining us today on Clever Money Hacks. Our mission is to provide you with high-quality and valuable information to help you take control of your financial future, one smart decision at a time. Make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications on because we're always working on new content to bring you more clever money hacks and actionable financial tips and tricks right here on Clever Money Hacks. Until then, pay yourself first and keep making those clever money moves. Bye for now.